it's not a Maurice Lacroix today surprise. It's a, like we can see, TPS 3. What is it? A little index. My first one of this brand, and the second one, it's Roue. Watch. No Maurice Lacroix today, but another Swiss cool brown timepiece. And open the box. Sorry. Yep. Ouch. It's a so true unboxing. Not open the watch before. Just received today during I sleep after my work tonight, and we've got a cool straw brown. Very cool. We've got some guarantee card. This one is cool. It's for clean your timepiece. Very cool. Very cool. And of course, the very cool beauty. It's the TPS Model 3. Like you can see, it's the gray one. I take off the up. With sapphire crystal. It's a cool chronograph. On the case back, so what is it? Yeah, a cool Porsche like I drew this week. Hope you like. Very cool. The watch is matching number, stainless steel. Mecha Quartz movement by Seiko. It's Roue watch, limited edition. It's very cool. I love this strap. Very cool gray one. The dial is unbelievable. It's between gray and blue with the yellow on for the sound. If I click here, yes, it's running. I like the detail. Gray, brown, light with this one shining. The case is very cool. We can see Roue is mentioned here. Yes. Polish, brush, very cool finish, and of course the buckle with Roue, like this one. Say me in comment what strap do you prefer. And if I click here, what chrono do? Oh, it's so cool. It's like a Mecha Quartz by Seiko. It's a so cool movement, and of course glaze is sapphire with a cool vintage finish. Hope you like so much this new timepiece, and of course there is 2 new Maurice Lacroix in the few days, I think tomorrow, but big project. With yoga, certainly serve many cool projects this week. Have a good day, my friend, and hope you enjoy this new timepiece by Roue watch.